back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit and share a little bit of something from every kind of category. So this job lead is going to be more in the financial field. The company is Conservice. They have 890 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. And of course, the links to this Glassdoor page, if you want to read those reviews, and the job page, if you want to put that application in, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Conservice is hiring a payment correction specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only, and they do have different shifts available. Now, right off the bat, pay is $15 an hour. Again, it is remote, and the shifts they have available are a Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 3 p.m., or you can do Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., or you can do Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They also have a 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., so it's all Monday through Friday, kind of different daytime shifts, whether you're a morning person or you like to start a little bit later, but no weekends are required. Now, they are looking for somebody to closely monitor payment errors and exceptions that clear Conservice's bank and credit card accounts. You'll be making sure that the payments are accurately applied to their intended utility accounts, as well as working with other team members to make sure any errors or exceptions are properly accounted for with the utility providers. So you're going to find and fix the payment errors on account numbers and reference numbers within the company's software program. You'll work with the utility providers to solve any issues regarding payments that are made on accounts. Most of your time is going to be spent clearing payments, fixing double payments, and addressing outstanding payments. You will also have to research bank transactions with minimal information to piece together what account payments were made for what client. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for someone who has the capacity to recognize discrepancies in the data so you can recognize that there is an error in the payment. Of course, you got to be able to use those computer programs like Microsoft Outlook, Excel, Word, somebody who is familiar with browsing the internet and has the ability to be organized and prioritize important workloads. All right. If this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.